Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now in today's video, this is part two, well, sort of part two. I'm just basically just going to sit down and chat with you guys about my personal experience with the Superdrug makeup class. So I'm just going to basically just be talking about my experience, because obviously it's my very first time with the makeup class, the makeup artist and the products. So just sit back and relax and I'm going to talk to you guys about my personal experience. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my personal thoughts on the Superdrug makeup class and if another one comes around, if it's personally for you or not, just keep watching. Okay, so I guess the first thing we'll talk about is the Superdrug makeup class itself. Like, was the quality good? Was it very easy to access? Now the access, I managed to access this course through Superdrug's Instagram. Now I know a lot of people might not have Instagram or know about it, so in the Superdrug stores there wasn't really much advertisement regards to the makeup course. I think they said it on the radio a couple of times, but there was no like actual poster as such to talk about the makeup class and participation. So if I didn't go on the Superdrug Instagram, I wouldn't have known anything about it. So I just wish there was a little bit more advertisement regards to the makeup class so more people could have joined. So maybe I would have suggested maybe just a bit more posters in the store talking about it. So that's all I'd say really, but I found the makeup class and going on the website, well, not the website, but the event website, buying the tickets was very easy. They accept card or PayPal. It was very easy to purchase and I got my email confirmation. And the day before the class, they gave me the link which you had to copy and paste in your computer, or you pretty much could do it through your phone as well if you wish. So it was a very easy process. It went through very, very easily. So, but yeah, it was just more people knowing about it really was the only thing I would say. The quality of the video. So seeing the actual makeup artist was very, very clear. It was a very nice big screen. It wasn't blurry or anything. I was able to see the lovely Dolly's face. I was able to see her apply the products very well. So the quality of the actual video itself was very, very good. There was no lack in the internet or anything. There was no jogging or skipping. So really, really good. So the Superdrug event, I would say quality wise, was very, very successful. Let's now talk about the makeup artist Dolly. What did I think of Dolly? I think Dolly did really, really well. I think she's extremely talented, like I said, and I love her makeup. I think she's very creative. I think she explained things very, very well. The lucky thing is that with live events, it's very hard to keep up with things, very, very hard. So when you're trying to do the makeup and then move on to the next step, you're like, oh my God, I'm still trying to blend this. So very luckily, with the live events, if you can't keep up with it, they do give you the option to watch the video again and again and again without the live. So you can just watch it over and over and over, which is an absolute perk, because if you only could watch the video once and that was it and never watch it again, I'd be quite disappointed, because I'd be like, well, I would either forget things or I just wouldn't be able to blend things in time. I'd just be like, I just need that extra time to blend things and grab my makeup products if I've forgotten something. So luckily you can watch it over and over again. So, but I felt like she did explain things very, very well, that she showed everyone what colours to use, what brushes to use. I don't really have anything to say about her, what she could do to improve. I felt like, well, the makeup was superb. I felt like her makeup on her looked amazing. So yeah, I thought she was excellent. I thought she was just really, really, really good. I thought she was really good, fantastic. So I really, really liked her. And if you do want to check her out on Instagram, I will link her Instagram down below if you want to check her out. Hey everyone, Editing Rebecca here. If you actually want to watch the makeup class for yourself, Superdrug have actually uploaded it on their YouTube channel. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check it out. Thank you. And last but not least, the products. So the products arrived to me pretty quickly. I did get an email confirmation to say it would arrive like a week before the class, and it did as well. I'll pop it on screen here if you haven't seen my first video. So it did arrive, nothing was broken or smashed, so everything arrived perfectly fine. And the products, so I'll just quickly run down. So the eyelashes were really, really nice. I'm wearing them now. They're really nice. They're sort of like natural, but they're sort of like fluttery at the same time. So they are on the more the natural side. Well, obviously, hence why they're called natural. And the gloss, the butter gloss is gorgeous. Like, the butter gloss has been a hit for years on NYX. So it's very comfortable, and I really, really like the gloss. The eyeshadow palette, there's a bit of a hit and miss with the eyeshadow palette. Some colours blended better than others, like the purple colour. If you haven't seen my previous video, the purple colour was no good. It was no good whatsoever. And unfortunately, the purple was a little bit under my eyes as well. So when I tried to use both the blue colours, it was just impossible to blend. They just went really, really patchy. So I went in with the kohl pencil instead, and that worked fantastic. So speaking of the kohl pencil, I loved the kohl pencil. That kohl pencil, the NYX one, the blue one, was just fantastic. I really, really love it. It's just so bold. It's not transferring or anything. It's just a great, great kohl pencil. I really, really like the kohl pencil. Was there anything else? I think that was pretty much it in the box. So there's only like 4 products, and the sweeties, well, they were very, very lovely. They were very, very yummy. So I really, really enjoyed those. But overall, the experience was absolutely excellent. You were able to put your own comments if you wanted to. Dolly explained things very well. The quality was fantastic. Some of the products as well were great. It's just the eyeshadow palette's not my favourite, but the others were good. I'm just very grateful the fact that after the live we were able to watch the video again. So very grateful for that, because if we weren't, I'd be very upset. So overall, a very good experience. And oh yes, and the money. The value of the money was worth it. It only cost me £15, so absolutely worth it. It's not expensive. Anyone can afford it. It's not like you're paying £50 to £70 for a makeup course, because that would just be extraordinary. And it was just a lot of fun, and I hope when another makeup course comes around, or another Superdrug course, I definitely will be participating. So absolutely worth the money, and it was just a great, fun, fantastic experience. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and hope it gave you a little bit of confidence. So if you're thinking of joining a makeup class or with Superdrug and you see it advertised or anything like that, then I just thought this would give you guys a little bit of confidence. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below, as well as Dolly's Instagram as well is in the description as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys, take care.